We are going to check the demo for rainfall prediction. Python main.py, this is the main file. We have to browse the dataset. Dataset is a monthly rainfall data for all the states covering from 1901 to 2015 for all the states till annual rainfall is available. So first we are pre-processing and we are showing the visualizations. Sum of yearly rainfall, this is monthly rainfall, this is quarterly rainfall. These are all visualizations. State-wise monthly rainfall, state-wise quarterly, max value by month. Then now we are processing the CNN algorithm with 10 input. So after the CNN is done, the results are saved here. Only 10 minutes, so let me pause. CNN is done. This is the CNN algorithm matrix. A neural network now. It's a neural network accuracy. Thank you.